Hello everyone, welcome to a new type of video I'm making, a devlog on not Vaporwave Ninja, but a devlog on a Reddit TTS bot I made that we like to call Roy. I didn't show the original code all that much. If you look in my previous RPAN streams, you might be able to find it. My username will be in the description. But this is kind of the new code I just worked on, so we're going to go through it today. So to start off, obviously, you need to import pra if you're going to go through the Reddit API. I'm importing time, some basic weights and stuff. Info is just so that I can hide my username and password for everything. So that's here. And now these three. TTS, type, and links. Now let's start with TTS. PYTX3 is a module that allows you to do text-to-speech with Reddit strings. So I initiate it with voice, I turn the volume, I make a volume variable, and then I print it, and then I set the property volume to full so that we can actually hear it. Now this function, text-to-speech, says whatever you want it to, right? It's simple. As long as the comment isn't the same as the last comment, it'll say whatever the comment. So that's our first TTS. Then we got type. Now type is new. We didn't have this before. Basically, it allows people to make keyboard inputs via the chat. So we import our modules, and then we make our keyboard with the controller. Now def type is where the actual typing gets done for time and range times, right? For every time we want to repeat it. For char and key is, that should really be something else. Key is just whatever the comment is. It'll press and release each character. Now I could have just said type, whatever. Type is a built-in function with PyInput. I could have just said type blank or type the comment, but I wanted it so that I could actually do keyboard input. So like you could play games, that type of thing for the stream. Check type just does I just want to make the functions a little nicer, so check type just checks if the comment isn't the last comment. So now finally we have links. Links I think is the most complicated one. Web browser and OS are the two modules I'm importing. So browser.exe is the name of the web browser I'm using. So I'm using Chrome. The Chrome location or Chrome lock, just where Chrome is inside my files. Then you have to do web browser.register. I don't exactly know how this works. I use Stack Overflow a whole lot. And so I know that I'm registering Chrome somehow, and then I do something with that. I have no idea. But then I open links. So basically I don't want all the links to stay open, so I will kill whatever Chrome browser I have open, and then open a new one, so that not all the Chrome browsers are being opened over and over and over again. This way we can just keep on going and actually see the stream without the quality dipping. So now, those are all the tools that I've imported. So to actually use the Reddit API, I need to define what Reddit is. In our case, pra.reddit will initiate it. All of this client stuff, I use this. You won't get this in the code. This is just so that I don't release my own information while I'm working on this. I print it, of course, just a text, test. And then these are all just the functions, so that I don't have to type each separate little module each time. I just have the function right on hand. Check bands, I wanted to keep it in the main redditbot.py file. Basically, a couple streams ago, somebody was doing a couple of bad links that we didn't want to get banned for. So this is just, it checks our ban list that we've created. Print test is so that I can just see every single comment in the author of each comment, just in case I need to ban them. URL is actually the end little string of letters you have at the end of an RPAN link. This connects you to the stream. and then I sort by new so that I can see the new comments. And I just define last comment since I need that for the next bit of code, and then of course the ban list. So the sub, I just redefine it every time because it seems to reload the comments each time. I replace the comments so I get the new ones and limit it down to the ones I need. So if I check ban, if check bans returns true, basically, if it doesn't detect any banned names or the person commenting isn't a banned person. Right now I'm just doing text-to-speech. I throw the text-to-speech, define last comment in the new comment, and then while 10 equals 10, since I don't have a UI for this yet, this seems to be the best way to do that. That's just this all over again. All the links will be in the description, my Reddit if you want to catch any of the streams, the GitHub to this will be down below, and I hope this gives you a little bit more information on how it all works. Thanks for watching.